आप बाहर नहीं निकलते, चंद फौजी आपके जब मारे गए तो आप सड़क पे निकल आए।
नहीं, चंद फौजी सर, आपको तो सी आप दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई पाकिस्तान हैव नो सिंपैथी।
पाकिस्तान का इसमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, कश्मीरी खुद लड़ रहे हैं।
नहीं, कश्मीरी खुद नहीं लड़ रहे, पाकिस्तान who is supporting giving free movement to Jaish Mohammed? No, first answer that. Let's all.
Who was the guy? Who was the guy who attacked the Indian military? He is Kashmiri.
No, let me just. Wait. Yeah, wait.
How many soldiers you have in Kashmir?
Wait.
No, but why?
Wait. Let me explain. Sir, let me explain.
It's an integral part of India. It's an integral.
They are there to kill Kashmiris.
You are killing Balochistanis. You are killing Baloch. You are killing Baloch.
There is not a single Kashmiri here.
Kashmir.
यहाँ पे एक भी कश्मीरी नहीं है। यहाँ पे एक भी कश्मीरी नहीं है।
Wait. No, man, let's just do this rationally.
आपने 7 लाख कश्मीरी, 7 लाख, आपने 7 लाख फौज कश्मीर में क्यों रखी हुई है? 7 लाख फौज कश्मीर में क्यों रखी हुई है आपने?
Because the Kashmiri people have been provoked by Pakistan to fight a war which doesn't need.
They are asking for freedom. They are asking for right of self-determination.
Small person. Wait.
If they are small minority, why you have 700,000 uniform military?
Let's not get emotional. Wait. Let's not get emotional. Let's get rational. Let's get rational.
Movement of freedom in Azad Kashmir. People are asking for freedom in Kashmir, Maqbooza Kashmir.
Wait.
I'm from Indian occupied Kashmir.
There is no Indian occupied.
For last 4 years, all the IAS
From Indian occupied Kashmir. I am originally from Indian occupied Kashmir. I know that. There is not a single Kashmiri here. Only Indians.
Rawalpindi. What you have done to Rawalpindi? There is no Hindu left.
Okay. All right. Let's not get emotional.
Why you have 700,000 Indian militants in Kashmir?
Let me
What have you done? There is no Hindu left. You are radicalizing Kashmir.
About Kashmiri Pandit.
Pakistan didn't do nothing to them. Pakistan didn't do nothing to them.
Rationally, that the reason.
How many
Okay.
soldiers you have in Kashmir? How many soldiers? 700,000. Why? Why you have 700,000?
Wait. Let me
Kashmiris will keep fighting, will keep killing them.
Let's see.
Why don't you give them right of self-determination?
Wait.
ये देख सकते हैं आप, इनका रवैया देख सकते हैं। शिद्दत पसंद हिंदू जो है ये बात भी नहीं करना चाह रहे,